Finally tried this viral mochi ice cream from Aichi Cafe. Ang tagal ko nang planong pumunta sa cafe nila sa QC but hindi natutuloy. Buti na lang they have a pop-up store sa SM Mega Fashion Hall until April 30. I love mochi and ang tagal na ako nag-crave dito. Ang daming flavor options, may babalik-balikan ako sa SM Mega Mall this April. Aichi Cafe went viral mga sometime last year. Balita ko parating maraming tao sa cafe nila in QC located at Del Monte Avenue, Manresa, Quezon City. I ordered their famous matcha mochi ice cream in a cup and gets ko na why this is famous. Ang sarap ng matcha ice cream. It has a rich, deep matcha flavor and not too sweet. Medyo mahirap lang pala kainin yung mochi pag in a cup. But para-paraan yan, I love the texture of the mochi. So soft and bagay na bagay siya with the matcha ice cream. Sobrang sarap niya. I love this type of ice cream. Sana magkaroon na rin sila ng branch dito sa Mandaluyong. Makapal yung mochi na kasama dito sa ice cream. So sulit. Also try their Aichi Signature Latte. This is 160 pesos per cup. Medyo maliit but ang important is yung taste ng coffee. This is really good, na enjoy ko to. Any suggestions ko ano pang masarap i-try sa Aichi Cafe?